Hey guys, how's it going? Got a lock here for you. It's going to be made in China. It's going to be a 40 millimeter. It's going to be a laminated padlock. It's fairly easy to pick open. Yep. Here's a look at the keyway. And here's a look at the key bitting. There we go. Open. And I'll get you a look at that key bitting again. And there you go. Made in China. It's just a standard laminated padlock. 40 millimeter. Let's see. Those are like 4 pins in there. Maybe 4 chambers. Maybe using only 3 pins. I don't know. Anyway, as always, you guys have a good one.